Welcome to Smart Solutions Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to update your graphics driver in Windows 10 and Windows 11 to improve performance and fix display problems. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. This will open a list of all the hardware installed on your computer. Next, scroll down and expand the section called Display Adapters. Here you will see your graphics card, such as Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check for the latest driver and install it if available. In my case, the graphics driver is already up to date. If your system finds a new driver, go ahead and install it. Once the update is complete, restart your computer to make sure the new driver works properly. And that's it! Your graphics driver is now updated. If this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe to Smart Solutions Hub for more quick PC fixes and tech tutorials.